welcome back to another video. I'm Tyler McMurdo. Alright, so, real quick, start off. In the third gen, going to get ready. We're going to LTN. So this will be part one of the video, which will be today and tomorrow, being Friday. And then part two will be Saturday and Sunday, major days. But let's get into it. We're going to go and load up the trucks. I got everything in this truck packed up, and let's get into it. Dawson, what are you doing?
Oh, you know, getting my regular.
We haven't been here, how long? A few hours?
2 hours.
2 hours, and this kid's already putting their bikes in the hotel room. So, we're going to go and wash the white truck and head from there. Catch you now. All right, so here at the show,
Yes, sir.
we have.
Vanilla Gorilla, Cody Reeling.
All right. So what do you think of the white truck and the blue truck?
Clean as shit. I love them. Makes me want to get a second gen dually.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I grew up with them, so I love them.
This one's
They're
always
freaking
for sale.
awesome. Is it for sale?
Oh, yeah.
Shit, dude. I'll have to think about it. Might have to sell my mega cab.
All right. That's say. Always for sale. That way I can go bigger.
Yeah.
But, all right.
Oh yeah, man.
Good meeting you.
Good to meet you.
Well, catch you around here.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so that's going to end it for today's video. Great day. Great start to the LTN. We're going to get part 2 starting tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned to the next part. It's going to be, like, crazy. So, catch you tomorrow. See you, bye.